5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's James. 12, 13. Damn, James got out way before everybody else. 14, 15, 16. Here comes 17. This is the perfect spot. Here comes another one of my boys right here. This is the second car I'm in charge of. I gotta fucking look out for it. No, I already lost count. That thing just looks so cool.
Look at the way of a baby door.
I'm glad I lost count. I got tired of hearing myself.
Should be coming up shortly.
Yeah.
Build it, have AJ metal.
Here's one of the nicest wraps of all of them right here.
Oh, there goes the boy Cletus.
Jim York right next to him.
Dude, I need to know what compressor that thing's got.
I think it's just got a big tank.
It's got it. That thing's got a lot of power.
I've seen the dude turning it on. Cleet, you gotta beat Jim. Tear it up, Jim. Get him, Cleet. Speedy cop. There's the fastest car out there.
Go, Cletus! Kyle says he got something for
I love it.
Remember, finish the race. Let's go, IU! Not first to last, Liz.
Shake and bake.
Last bud.
Do it for Dale! I have no idea how many cars this has been. Are any of you guys counting? And with just a few following up back here, that is your starting lineup for the 2026 Altima 600 at the Freedom Factory. Let's get it on, boys. Boogity, boogity, boogity. And he just killed his car and embarrassed himself. And now it won't start. That sucks.
Push him out of the way.
Got a jump pack?
Just in case he forgets again.
Only Tony makes time, right?
Huh?